Today we are going to be making the slightly tart, very lemony, and perfectly creamy lemon cream martini. Now, we are going to be building this cocktail together as well as rating it at the very end, so make sure you stick around. To start off this cocktail, we are going to use half an ounce of heavy whipping cream, if I could get it to come out, for the love of God. We are going to use 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Ooh, it's bubbly. Then 1 full ounce of vanilla vodka. Then finally, we're going to do 2 full ounces of limoncello. Ooh, that came out kind of fast. All right. So then we are going to shake with ice. So we're going to fill this guy up to the top with ice. Pop the top on. Shake until it's ice cold in your hands. Beautifully cold. Ugh. All right, we did use fresh juice, so remember we're going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer right into our coupe. Oh, yummy. Very light yellow color, but nice and frothy, foamy on the top. Then to finish this one off with our garnish, we are going to use a dreaded lemon twist. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make one for you guys on camera so you can see how awesomely horrible I am at it. Again, you don't want to have them too long. You don't want them super short either. Just enough to sit on the rim. So I'm going to wrap it around my finger. And then I'm going to just kind of get it in like a little coil. I don't know if you can see that or not. A little coil, just like so. And then you just kind of pinch it in a couple different areas just to get it to try to hold the curl. And then you just pop it on the rim. Look at that.
The best one yet.
Heck yes. Look at that. All right. So she should be creamy. She should be lemony. And very easy to drink. So we're going to taste it. See what we think. Oh, the lemon is so fragrant. Ooh. Not gonna lie, straight up tastes like lemon meringue pie. That's 100%. The lemon is definitely at the forefront, but not like sour, if that makes any sense. It's just the nice flavor of lemon, and then that creaminess just kind of comes in on the back end. And it's so smooth. The vanilla vodka is giving plenty of this, like the sugariness that you would expect, but it's not overly sweet. Now we're going to rate this one. Oh, man. I think I'm going to have to go, I'm going to go 4.5 out of 5 stars. So again, 5 stars is the best. 1 star is the worst. I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. This is definitely something that if I got it at a restaurant or a bar, I would definitely have a second, possibly a third, just because it's super, super smooth and goes down a lot easier than a normal cocktail. Not super boozy, absolutely delicious. But if you guys enjoy the cocktails and enjoy my gorgeous face doing weird, weird stuff, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends. Let me know if you're building the cocktails, and let me know what your rating is if you build the cocktail, and see if you agree with mine. Until the next pour. Cheers!